I got this box of components from a fan of my channel who donated them to me. In them I found quite a number of EPROMs and ROMs that have come from military equipment, so I thought I'd have a look and see what's on them. See if there's anything interesting. Right, now done it, EPROM. Once you just dump the binary files, it's just a matter of opening it in an application like Notepad and then just scrolling through the code until you find something that looks interesting. What you're looking for really is many strings of text like this here. Now this is the first EPROM I've opened, which basically come from a video recorder. So you look at here. This is a string of error messages which are typically displayed on the link panel display. Like they said, that it's based on the cassette in various languages. Timer is about to start. Press standby. Onto the year in various languages. And then Philips video register. So it's obviously come from some sort of video recording device, is that? This is typically what you want to do, to scroll through it. That's the end of the code. So that's one of the ROMs. I got rid of that one. And there's another one here. Quite interesting, this one. This is an unknown EPROM. Now this one here, you want to be looking for some code again. There, like that one there, 68,000. So enter and ready and red. So that gives you a clue that it's there's 68,000 CPU. And it's a VRTX. See if that comes up with anything. You Google for it. Up in Google. Yeah. Yeah. What's this? Yeah, there we go. Right. Okay, so it looks like some sort of real-time operating system for the 68,000. Yeah. This is an EPROM that was labelled highly confidential code. And it's got the US Department of Defense written on the top of it. So it looks like it's obviously a real-time operating system for whatever equipment it came out of. Yeah. There we go. So that is literally, looks to me like that's literally an EPROM that contains the real-time operating system for whatever equipment this came out of. Now I just want to look further through the code, see if I can find anything more. Tracer 68K, yeah. See straight away. You get some idea what equipment it's come from. I just had to dump this one because it said on it, US Department of Defense, and this code contains strictly confidential information, so that, well, let's have a look at it then. Can't be that important. But yeah, it's just literally a real-time operating system by the look of it. There's no actual application code in there, so there's nothing really copyrightable. Nothing beat the US Department of Defense don't want you to see. Yeah, it's literally EPROM containing an operating system. It's a bit like VxWorks, that sort of thing. Yeah. I just didn't find a bit more information on that. Yeah, we are. Smells interesting here. Yeah, it's a VRTX file system. So that could have come from a computer rather than a piece of avionics. Obviously there have been some other ROMs that go with it. Right. Well, the other ROMs that accompanied this was these have labelled as Harrier avionics because they appear to have tail numbers of aircraft in them. When you look that up, they're all Harrier jump jets. So, what is a D402? there. If you look that up, there's update 4.2 aircraft. Yeah, so Harrier there. So all through the code in this, there's references to tail numbers. Now these were EPROMs rather than actual EEPROMs, so electrical erasable EPROMs. So this is obviously from the computer system that this came from. Maybe it's some sort of test set for testing avionics equipment rather than actual piece that went in the aircraft itself. And there were 4 ROMs. There were 4 of these EEPROMs. This one here. Again, you want to be looking for any code that spots out basically the way reverse engineering EPROMs. It's pretty much the same. You just want to look for any text strings that give you some sort of clues. Now I already looked through these, as you can see. Call for tail numbers. There's odd one that jumps out at you. Last one. Anything interesting in this one? Well, these being EEPROMs, they're probably old test data, that sort of thing. There's a number there, peg, whatever that means. Yeah, it was like some sort of test system. No, you can't tell what programming language it's written in. If I go back to the other one, I could try disassembling that with a 68,000 disassembler and see what it comes back with. But other than that, we're onto this thing, which appears to be an aircraft engine monitor computer. And there you go. Well, Classy Avionics engine monitoring system. Instant data printout. So this is obviously from some sort of test set as well. Hey. Yeah, there you go. All this information. Okay, this is what it puts on the printout. It's some sort of test set for aircraft engines. And it downloads the information from the aircraft's engine management computer. Wow, that's kind of interesting. This came from that same system where there was EPROMs of labelled as Harrier EPROMs. So we said this must have been used to test engines and Harrier jump jets. By the looks of it, so it all came from the same system, and it ran on that real-time operating system. Well, yeah. So, yeah. Interesting thing now. Yeah, it's from those EPROMs have tail numbers in. So we've got the real-time operating system in EPROM chips. The actual program application, which is in this one. So there's quite a lot. Quite interesting that. And then finally we've got an unknown one here, which didn't come from the same set of chips. This come from a different system. So, yeah, not sure what that is. There's no clues in there to give you any idea where it's from. Yeah, I think that's it. So that's basically look at some NUVRTX EPROMs. Kind of fancy, but interesting. They obviously came from some sort of Harrier jump jet aircraft engine monitoring system. But yeah, cool. Thanks for watching.